I registered for it as a varsity in Joburg. Zabuza, Zawatata no actor. Zabuza only what is dancing. No actor was but because it goes as a Kala Kubandi, betting night in Kulatali. Going once, guys, my poor and another two laugh and another two Latin. Do you do it in the program? Don't just say. Just say. Is there anyone who knows what dance means? Okay, I'm sure my husband will say, oh, I was against someone knows what it means. Sorry, the Obo Nabusi is our family. Can you give her a hand?
I like that. We're never going this one for the last time. This one, I'm not going this one, I'm not going this one. Yes. Oh, you know what? What I'm going to be like, sikwazi sizokhonga owethu sizokhonga owethu bantwana bami elifini kuyawinwa elifini kuyaluzwa into singayifundiswa emakhayeni ethu yilondo leyo lokho kufuneka usebenze nzima in order for you ukuba mawine DJ ngokuza baba 30 seconds I want the same song 30 seconds before sizobona number 1 wethu because of money 10 rand yakhe yes siqala phayani DJ let's go. Serious, the Cooper is not about one. I have the right to do so. The Cooper. Some of us monitor the spirits here. But what are engaged here? Then show this and things are not so still. DJ, let's go. Let's go, DJ. Hey. Celebrate at this age, they understand that they were once celebrated, so that now what we put out in our validation, but they can do something. Yeah?
Amen.
Okay, so Kalabu to Karane, go Siam Trina, Oga Siam Sigane. That means we are Trina with a job 3. Yes, and we talk 2 and we talk 1. Now Sigayo, we are cool. Siam Trina, Siam Siga. Siam Trina, Siam Siga. What are you going to do? Because I want to tell one, you come and hold his hand and say, Kaum Trina, if you pardon this, I have a wood. Kaum Siga, if you have a wood. Siam Trina, Siam Siga. If we are fika, fika. If we are tina, tina. Siyamdina wani siyamsika. Siyamdina wani siyamsika. Asa sabe tu chika wetu wasetimbaza. Isako na wasiko wale sana siyamdina. Isako na ayi sa snogo. Chill. Okay, siyamdina wani siyamsika. Wohl, das ist sagen, das Wohl ist aber aber eine Gruppe in der anderen Sie muss man nicht sagen. Sie haben die Leute zum Singer. Also kommen wir nicht sagen, das ist Last one. Sie haben die Leute zum Singer. Sie haben die Leute zum Singer. I'm a man of God, no?
Anibadala.
Siyamdina wani siyamsika. Siyamdina for I'm a man of God. So one thing about me is that you have a child of God. So since Jesus wants to know my things, I don't need to tell them now. See, as you know, Yes.
Stofota njani sana nguyo sekamereni. Ingxaki ye-vlog, so ngithatha snippets small ba.
Siyayivala ke
Samago! nizobhiyoza nathi kulo msebenzi umhle kangaka. Kodwa ke phambi koba siqhubekekeni sibhiyoze, inkosi yethu inkosi uMaqoma inomyalezo efuna ukusixelela wona sonke. Ndiyacela ke bantu bakwethu, ngicela inzolo sibele izindlebe sivuke inkosi yethu namhlanje ifuna ukuthina apha kuthi. Ngawube ke ndithethe nabaphansi bakwazi ukuvula indlela. BoMaqoma, nina baphansi kwamanzi, nanku umntana wethu siyambika kuni, kanimnika amandla. Zithi ke neemfazwe ezawuthi zifike endleleni yakhe nimnxibise amandla wenu. Ngamakhu Maqoma! Mthomsobomvu!
Sizwe sakuthi, sizwe sokhokho bethu, sizwe sikaNtamata, ndibulela ubukhobeni. Kepha ndiphathele iindaba ezimbi. Fikile ondlebe zikhangile. Bumbeli nenekazi. Hawu. Adam, ophina.
Ndilapha! Ndilapha malukapha!
Ophina.
Ndilapha!
Ndilapha
kwexesha. Ekuhambeni kwexesha. Sakhitshana ingqondo. Kwafika inyoka leyo yayingeyonyoka kodwa yayinyoka. Athi yita kulo mthi ulapha phakathi. Azilumela. Abagweba abagqobu Yesu. Athi wena Adam. Uzawudla
ukubila ngobuzi lapho. Wena efa inyanga zibithoba. Ukuqalekeni kwehlabathi. Thixo wadala umhlaba. Dala amafu. Dala isibhakabhaka. Dala umhlaba. Hey, you just supposed to. Angels were there, Gabriel and his cousins. Yes, sir. Limaza ubukhulu buka Yesu.
Abayastopenza.
Drop.
Angaboni.
Ato.
Oh!
Manda ka Yesu.
Hey!
Manda ka Yesu. Dinga mo.
Himan! Mona! Yourself! Yeah!
Fuck off.
Manani! Abasekenesisi! Sokulinde! Amanda ka Yesu!
Umuntu uyakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kokutya, phila ngethemba. Ubusomandla wasifaka kwinkundla kodwa soze wasigweba. Sizawunyamezela. Soze naye ucinga. Mhlambe zamingcinga soze zacima ukumcinga nakaweni nomsinga. Wahlaba siqhele khalayo. Sukenza lenziwayo. Indlela zimbini ngumtyholi nobawo kule ndawo mina ngifuna noyihleka. Ngoba sonke silulutsha siyabetheka. Mhlambe banjwe leyithenga. Afanele iminyaka kuphela amathemba. Uzawuphila ngbantu tata themba. Kapho wecima umeza uhlele ngohleka wena uyakhala. Bayamekhela. Wona impumelelo ngaphesheya nzima nowena. Indlela zakho zizakho khombe zakuwena. Uzenzile akakhalelwa. Obezila akakhawulelwa soze wasola indala yakwazi uzimela ngathi kuhlwile. Ngoba amatukumbili amalahla acimile imbiza zomile ngoba zemka nomsinga. Soze sayothuka imbali lebusika kubi. Ubunzima busondela kufuphi ungahluphi maninzi amathuba. Otyhuluba kwiziqubu zongqondo nyoluka manithathele ithuba ndithi xa ndivumbuluka ngabe nokothuka kaloku. Kaloku uyangajonganga.
Kwakunjalo ke benyuka besehla odadebo kaLazaro, uLazaro eshiya lo mhlaba. Ngathana! uLazaro uyafuna ntokozakhe. Oh yimba thina ngani ngethe. Utalazi guys.